Welcome back to Primetime Sports Thursday. At least one stakeholder at Caymanas Park is calling for the Jamaica Oaks to be reinstated to this year's racing calendar. This as local promoters of horse racing, Supreme Ventures Racing and Entertainment Limited, has added 2 more races to the traditional classic prep races, one of which will be run on the date which had been set for the Oaks. Here's Denise Walters.
The Jamaica Oaks, which is a classic event confined to native-bred 3-year-old fillies, but not a part of the Triple Crown series, continues to be a bone of contention this season between SVREL and the stakeholders. The promoters had proposed changing the distance of the event from 10 furlongs to 8.5 furlongs. But Chairman of the Jamaica Racing Commission, Clovis Metcalf, had told TVJ Sports that unless the owners and trainers agreed, the JRC would not sanction the race for the proposed distance. In addition, SVREL in January changed the date for the Jamaica Oaks from June 5 to May 1. However, with 2 new races added to this year's calendar, the inaugural Portmore and Kingston Cups for Grade 2 fillies and colts and geldings respectively, going 7.5 furlongs, the Oaks is now very doubtful as the Portmore Cup is set for Saturday, May 1. That has prompted Howard Hamilton, owner of 2017 Jamaica Oaks winner Marlene My Love, to ask the promoters to rethink their decision.
Disappointed that SVREL has cancelled the Fillies Oaks race. As a breeder, more than 50% of our foals that are born are fillies, and they need big races. We need a 10 furlong race like the Oaks to determine that to the breeder which of those fillies can produce horses that stay, because everybody wants to win the mile and a half race of Derby. That's their key race to win. Unless they can produce steers who can breed back to steers, you're not going to produce a Derby winner. So for him to remove the Oaks is a major disappointment to us, and we are begging him, beseeching him on our knees that he reintroduces back the Fillies Oaks race as part of the classic program.
However, speaking at a press conference on Wednesday at Caymanas Park to announce the prep races for the classic season, Chairman of SVREL Solomon Sharp says no such decision has been made.
We were here to announce the lead up to the Triple Crown and the Triple Crown races. We have not announced any such thing of a cancellation. So we do appreciate what Mr. Hamilton and the owners and the trainers and everyone is saying. More announcements to come.
With the additional 2 races to the calendar, SVREL has dubbed the 6 classic prep races as Road to the Triple Series. The other races include the usual preps, the Hotline Stakes for fillies, the Sir Howard Stakes for colts and geldings, as well as the Thornbird Stakes for Grade 2 fillies and the Prince Consort Stakes for Grade 2 colts and geldings. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.